Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to cancel a Gemini Advanced subscription or free trial. To do so, first of all, open any browser you have in your device and then search for Google Gemini and click on the first website. Now from there, on the left button corner, you will see setting option. Hit on that. Now if you have already buy a subscription, then there you will see an option of manage subscription. Under that you will see cancel subscription option. Since I haven't bought, or if you have not bought any subscription, then manage subscription option will not be shown. So simply go through the manage subscription option and hit on the cancel membership to cancel a Gemini Advanced subscription. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.